So I actually make all of my candles right here in my basement. I've kind of made this into like my warehouse. Uh, the first station I have here, this is my candle making station, and I'll kind of give you a little debrief on this. But this is where literally everything is made. You see, I have the one wax melter. I used to have two. One actually just broke, so now I'm down to one. But thankfully, I've kind of planned it all my inventory in a way where I'm not like falling behind, which is good. Up here, I have, my insurance certificate, and then I have the whiteboard where I can keep track of any scents that I need coming up, etc. I also have some labels, so whatever candles I plan on making, I'll bring the labels up here so I can just easily peel, stick, and be good. I also have my warning labels over here. Just makes it really simple and easy. So again, I will make the candles right here. I also have the heat gun. If you're new to candle making, heat gun is essential. I'm here down in my basement, so there's a lot of times where I can't really control the temperature down here. Like even when I have the heat on, it's always coldest in the basement, right? So these little temperature irregularities, I would say, sometimes make my candles dip a little bit at the top. So the heat gun is essential for creating a smooth top. That's actually what these candles here, I just made a couple of these and you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. You see, they dip a little bit right there, and the heat gun will smooth it out and create a nice, really smooth, glassy top. So probably my most important tool right here to make the candles look clean and professional. Also right here, I wanted to show you, I have the black wax. This is just one I'm testing. This scent is amazing. And I'm actually going to, you guys are the first person I'm telling this to, I'm actually going to make a limited edition candle. I'm only making 100 of them, and the anticipated release is about March. I'm making some really cool labels and all that stuff. So, and they won't be in a black jar, they'll actually be in a silver jar, but just wanted to, this is my first edition of a test. And I realized I need to wick up. So, we're still perfecting the blend here. Also over here, this is an important little station, right? So in here, I'll have all the wicks I typically use in here and the wick clips. And down here, I have all my wick stickers. So everything I need to make a candle is right here. Again, I don't label them until I know they're perfect. I don't want to waste labels. So once I smooth out the tops and don't see any imperfections on the candle, then I'll label them and they're ready to go at that point. So this is my workstation. Below the table, I'll have my wax, my gloves. You always want to have gloves. But yeah, that's where the magic is made, right here. And my candles get sent out all over the country, which is absolutely crazy to me. I can't believe how this community has helped me grow. I'm so thankful for you guys. You have no idea. And again, I still do work a full-time job as well. So I'm kind of pulling double duty here. But yeah, thank you. And next, I'll show you my fragrance oil MVP collection. So here is my fragrance oil shelf. So literally all the fragrance oils I use are right here. As you can see, there's a lot more fragrance oils than I actually have on my website. That's because I love to do a lot of testing. I love to order a bunch of samples so I can see, what is the next best fragrance that I think I can launch with. Now, obviously, I go through a whole process on, if I'm going to launch something or not. You know, if it's versatile, meaning I can use it for candles, diffusers, perfume, all that stuff. Um, but if something's really good and I can only say use it for a candle, I will consider it. So that's just kind of my process. But yes, literally, I have everything right here. You'll see a lot of it, my old branding with Nightlight, but I still use the same fragrances. It's just I rebrand and rename. So yeah, not much to it, but this is where I get it. And it's right next to my making station, so I can literally just pull something, come over here, make it, put it back. It just helps me stay organized. Okay, so here we have my jar and vessel station. So as you see, I don't just have the candle jars, but I have the 1 ounce room spray bottles. I have the 4 ounce room spray bottles. I have my perfume bottles. Any vessel that I use to make my products are on these shelves here. And as you can see, it's right next to the fragrance station, which is right next to the making station. So I can literally, it just flows very nicely. I know my numbers, I know what I need. I'll grab what I need from these shelves, come over to the making station, and it's that simple. So that's how that works. And then you'll see right over here, those are my candle care kits. And again, I often give those out for free. I often bundle those with other products because of the high perceived value. And they are very helpful to candle lovers and candle makers if you want one. But yeah, so not much to it. Also, below here are my 7 ounce white spray bottles. If you are interested in those, I have discontinued the white bottles because I've moved to the all black. If you're interested in it, just email me. I'll give you a quote. I think I have 100 of them right now. So if you need it, I got you. I'll hook you up. So again, if you want them, hit me up, please. Okay, so this is my next station. So after I've made everything and it all looks good and ready to go, anytime I get an order, I bring it here to my packing station. So right next to my packing station, I have all of my boxes. All different sizes depending on what somebody orders. So it makes it easy to just grab, put right here. I have the weight, the scale weight, so I can see how much the package weighs, so I can put that on the shipping label. Literally everything I need right here. I have my candle care card or candle care tip cards. I have my VIP membership card. So if you don't already do this for your business, highly recommend the VIP access. I love to make it super exclusive. I have made a VIP program that offers like crazy benefits to customers. Like it doesn't even make sense the amount of stuff that I give in my VIP program, but it is awesome. People love it. Highly recommend making a VIP program. I have all my branded stickers here. Literally anything I need to package something up. I have my crinkle cut paper down here below. Fragile stickers. Anything to do with packaging is literally on this table. That way I can just bring it here, weigh it, print off the labels, and ship it off. And I'll show you my label station here in a second. But yeah, it's not much to it, guys. It's more so the flow, that's important. And right over here, that's where I keep all the all the products. So I actually just got back from a fair, so there's not much up there right now because I literally just pull it, put it in boxes, bring it to the fair, and I just got back from a fair, so there's not much up there right now. But yeah, that's how I do things. um, and shout out to my wife. Her organization skills keep me better. I'm learning. But yeah. Oh, also water activated tape. I can't stress this enough. Brand everything. Brand everything. I have water activated tape right here that has the Zovia branding. I'll kind of show you here. So anytime I send out a box, it has my branded tape on it, right? Highly recommend. Brand everything. Shirt, tape, boxes, all that stuff. The stuff I don't have branded, I made a little stamp that has my logo on it, and I'll just brand it. And I will be making a video on this soon, but as you guys know, like, I've documented everything as I've been trying to grow this business, and we've become, obviously we're not a multi-million-dollar business, but I've been able to grow this business a lot farther than I thought I would originally be able to. And I've documented everything along the way because I do not only want to help me continue to grow, but I have found such passion in helping you guys, and that's why I created these playbooks. So I've documented everything. Like, this is the revenue surge playbook that'll teach you how to create revenue surges in about 7 days. I have the ad aroma playbook, which will teach you how to make candle and fragrance ads. The pricing objection playbook, and I have 3 others. So I have 6 total playbooks. And they're not for sale, but I do offer them for free, the hard copy, for all of those who do want to join my mentorship program. So now I only have 5 slots available for the year, but if you're interested, feel free to just hit me up, and we can see if you're a good match. But again, the videos on these will be coming soon. So if you're interested, let me know which one you want to hear about the most.